Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS9550, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable sounds on this device. First you should open settings, then device settings, then other device settings, then sound control. Choose keep out volume, and if you will enable it, so any click on display will have the sound. If you don't want it, so just disable it and click off. Click alarm volume if you wanna make alarms louder or if you wanna mute them. So I wanna use standard alarm volume. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.